Hello, this is a quick demo of the UI used to demonstrate the functions implemented in the Photoapp project for CS310. There are a few functions inside the Photoapp, namely display users, get image list, post image, download image, get image labels, get image with labels, and delete all images. Display users displays all of the users in the database for the photo app. In this case, there are 3 users with user IDs from 80,001 to 80,003. If you click Get Image List right now, there are no images found. So let's add an image. So posting an image requires both a user ID and a local file name. Posting an image without either will give you the error. Both user ID and file name are required, as you can see, like this. So if we want to post an image, we get a valid user ID, which would be 80,001, and we can get a valid file name. Let's choose 01daegu.jpg. And you can see it was successfully posted to user 80,001. And you can do get image list and see all of the images, which is only one. The user ID optional demonstrates you can search based on the specific user ID. So say you search 80,001, it still appears. But if you search 80,002, it disappears. And to further demonstrate this, let's post 02 earth.jpg to image to user 80,002. Successfully posted. And to user 80,003, let's post 03 rollcloud.jpg. Alright, and if we clear the get image list, we can see there are now 3 images displayed. And if there are too much text in the results tab, there is the ability to scroll. Wait, that was incorrect, because that user does not exist. Right, and you can see there are now 4 images. Now, what if you want to download one of these images? Well, actually, if I haven't displayed already, you can filter to only one person. So if you want to download an image, you need a asset ID and a optional local file name. So the asset ID, let's choose the first one, 1001, and let's download it to test. You can see in the results, it was successfully downloaded. And this is the original image. And I forgot to add the file name extension. So test.jpg, and this is the downloaded image. Additionally, this function fails if you don't input an asset ID. Asset ID required. And finally, get image labels gets the labels output by recognition AI for the image with given asset ID. Of course, asset ID required. For image label with asset ID 1001, as the label animal, mammal, rat, and rodent with these confidence values. And you can see this is the labels for image 02. The image labels for 03. And the image labels for 04. And if you want to get the images with given labels, you see a label is required. Let's say rat. This outputs only asset ID 1001. But if you get the image with labels, say nature, you get both asset ID 1002 and 1003, and say sailing. Oh, don't quite remember. Sailboat would output asset ID 1003 and 1004. And finally, there's the function to delete all images, which does what it says it does. It clears all images from the database and from the S3 container containing the images. So you see right now, there are 4 images, but once you click delete all images, the images are successfully deleted. And if you get image list, no images are found. The users still remain, but the images are deleted. And that's about it. Thank you.